He bought that shit. Well, right, he not speaking in game chat. Yo, you know how to speak, yo? I guess not. He bought that's right way though. That's tough. Yo, what's good, yo? Who you, yo? On God? The legend gonna cop you. There's a legend here. Why is nigga doing this? Why did he do that? Why did you do that to me, my nigga? Who is that? I seen this name before somewhere, yo. Why did you do that to me, my nigga? This nigga on some bullshit. Two legends on the court though. Hey, my nigga passing hoes, yo. Yo, Bizo, you in game chat, yo? I seen this name somewhere. I think it's like a rapper or some shit. My nigga, hold on. Time out. Try who? Bro. Niggas saying it was a boogie. Niggas are saying it's fucking. I don't even know, bro. Yo, Bizo, can you add a voice, yo? This is your cousin, mate? The dude who's showing, this is your cousin? It's Rod Wave, I don't know if you know. Oh, this is Rod Wave, Dead Eyes? That's two. That's two. Yo, come on, Rod. Don't say it's my fault. My fault. Oh, come on, green up. It's not gonna be his fault, man. It's Rod Wave on your mother. No, I'm dead. What's good, Keon? Appreciate the follow. Come on, don't say it's your fault. Come on. Okay. I got boy. Green up then. Okay. He grinning out there. Let me find out. Come on. Oh, we playing like 2K19 days, man. I got you with the big body. I got boy. Give me that boy. Fuck. This nigga Ronald, man. That was Ronald for yo. One stop. Man, you jumping all over the place? Goddamn! New sub alert! Shout out to Capital gifting the sub to Devontae. Appreciate the gifted sub to Devontae, Cat. Appreciate you, Brody. Come on, Rod. Come on, show him it's your fault. Up, it is his fault, my nigga. Come on, Rod. Let's get this dub. What's good, Zan DJ? Appreciate the follow. Come on. You about to go streaking. Fuck it. Come on. One stop. Oh, good deal. Okay. Damn. We just need to hit the threes and shit, though. What percent you to legend? I'm at 83, bro. Okay. Yeah, you jumping all over the place, man. I got bored. Flashy pan this motherfucker. Fuck, you tipped it. Bad cat. Turn on music. Fuck the music. Well, I do need some new sub badges too. I'm not gonna lie. Oh shit. Yeah, I got a 6-month sub badge, Bizarre. Don't worry about it. That's tough. Come on, Rod. He bought this account or some shit? Is it even really him? I don't know, bro. Honestly, to be honest with you, you just never know. That's TK. Y'all niggas is crazy. Flashy pan this motherfucker. Okay. Oh, he's Dexing. Ooh, that's me. I'm gonna wait. Fuck it. Come on. Flashy pad in this bitch. Let's go. Oh my god. I'm snaggy though. I'm a horse though. Come on, man. I'm not with my real build right now, bitch. You came out of nowhere with the legend and shit. Let's go. Hold on, I got it right here. Come on, my god. Okay. Look, flashy pad this motherfucker. Oh my god. Lord Jesus Christ, bro. Come on. Give me that, bitch. 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 Oh, he made it. Let's go. He's making this shit look like 2K fucking 19 and shit. The best build for center is shit. On Snaggy Mo Gaming channel, bro. He got the best build for center. I don't play center. I'm a guard, bitch. I'm on the center, but this nigga try to shoot an overdose in 2K20. Fuck it. Who's on the spot next? Oh yeah, we got it. Nice. Nice cap, Pat. Let's go. Mo 7-1, you cap as fuck. I didn't say I got the same build as him. Mo got the best build though. Or if anything, make him 6'11". 6'11" is good. My nigga, are you serious? You better green it. Green it! What's good, Bizo? Appreciate the follow. How did you get this legend account, yo? This your account or what, yo? Oh yeah, we on it. Okay, flashy Pat. Impossible. Okay. Hold on, overdose done. Crabby then. Hold on, get crabby with him. Okay. Yee! Let's go. He said, are you playing with Rod Wave? Carrying Rod Wave in the park? Shit, he's going crazy. What's good, Barnett? He bought it. He bought that shit. Well, right, he not speaking in game chat. Yo, you know how to speak, yo? I guess not. But that's Rod Wave though. That's tough. Yo, what's good, yo? Who you, yo? Oh God? Does that sound like him, chat? He in the stream, but does that sound like him? I don't know if it sound like him. I don't know. Yo, Drippy, where you at, my nigga? Oh shit. Why did he play against me though, my nigga? Why would you change my title? Bro, why would you change my title?